If you're thinking about creating content like this, or even going viral like these YouTube pages, listen up. Here's how you can do it. Forget stealing content and reposting it on your page. Instead, do this. First, head to TikTok and find viral videos in your niche. I've already got mine, but in your case, do your research. Once you find the video, copy the link and download it using this website. Save it to your phone. Next, head over to this site to transcribe the video into text. It's super simple. Sign up, upload the video, and click on speech to text. Boom, your video gets transcribed. Now copy the script and head to ChatGPT. This is the game changer, so pay attention. When you use ChatGPT, don't just throw in the text. You've got to talk to it like you want a masterpiece. Here's my trick. Tell it to write like a specific content creator you admire. For example, write this like Leo Williams or whoever you want. Paste the script, generate, and let it cook. If you don't love it, regenerate it until it's perfect. Now, take your golden script and head to 11labs.io for the voiceover. I won't go into detail here, most of you already know how it works. Paste the script, generate the voice, and download it. Quick pause, if you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It helps the channel and keeps the content flowing. Next, go to this website to turn your voiceover into a talking avatar. It's quick. If you're wondering how to create an image like the one I'm using, check out Leonardo.ai. Avatar is ready, upload the voiceover, pair it with the image, and click Generate. In seconds, you'll have a talking avatar that's crazy realistic. Download it and save it. Just make sure you've got enough space on your phone. Open CapCut and upload the original TikTok video you downloaded earlier. Add the talking avatar video on top. Mute the original video's audio and sync everything. Adjust the background and transitions to make it unique. Once you're happy, save it, re-upload it into CapCut, and use the auto subtitle feature. Turn on these two settings to clean up any pauses. Click Generate, and your video is done. Smooth subtitles, no awkward gaps. If you want me to create content like this for you, just send me a message. My contact information is down below. Reach out and we can talk. To finish it all off, head back to ChatGPT. Ask it to write you a killer post and include some lowercase hashtags for that extra reach. The best part? You can do all of this on your phone, no fancy equipment needed. If you've made it this far, show some love. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications. I've got more gems coming your way, so don't miss out. As always, see you in the next one. Peace out.